Okay, here's the drawer for the file punch chisel set. Everything's pretty much here. It looks like we're missing maybe three different punches here, or files. This is a saw, pinch, and wrecker bars. We got a wrecker bar. We have the saw. We're missing a couple crowbars out of here. We do have the little pinchers. This is the hammer drawer. I think we're only missing one hammer out of here. There's the metal saws and tube benders. Here we got a couple hacksaws. Here we got a small kit. Looks like a, I'm not sure what that meant. See, that's what I hate to say. It's a flaring kit. And then hacksaw blades, bolt cutters and clamps. We got two C-clamps and then some cutters, pipe wrenches and adjustable wrenches. So here we have 4 pipe wrenches. We are missing 2 18-inch Crescent Automotive wrenches and 2 15-inch Crescent Automotive wrenches on this side. Here we have the open air flare nut wrenches. These are Protos, go up to 23 millimeter. All these are complete. On this side are Craftsman, and on this side are S&K. Here we have box wrenches. These ones go up to, these are snap-ons, go up to 1.5 inch to 1 5/8. And they start at 3/4 and 1 3/16. Again, these are all snap-ons. Combination wrenches. These are Protos, go from 8 millimeter up to 36 millimeter. Another combination wrenches. This one's pretty much complete. It looks like we're missing a couple. These are S&Ks, 5/8 up to 1.5. Combination flare wrenches. Again, these are, let's see what these are. These are snap-ons. This side are snap-ons. These sides are S&K. These go up to 2 inches here on this combination wrench. And we have a couple large 18-inch crescent wrenches. Open-ended wrenches. These are Protos. They go up to 2 inches. Looks like that set's complete. Torque wrenches. Looks like we're missing some torque wrenches, but we do have two torque wrenches that are in the box. These are socket sets. This is 1/4 and 1/2 inch. Looks like this one is complete. We're missing one, probably a swivel or something on this side. These are S&K sockets. Here we have 3/8 and 1/2 inch, another sockets. These are S&K. These are complete minus the 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch ratchet. Drill and sharpener. Here we got the drill sharpener, and in here we have a DeWalt drill kit with a couple batteries. Here we have the another drill kit. Another 18-volt DeWalt drill. And we have a couple boxes of drill bits. 3/8 inch grinders. These are Milwaukee. So here we have a couple drills. We have a grinder and a drill there. Those are all working. This was the pneumatic drill hammer and wrenches. I'll just open these boxes real quick. Pneumatic abrasive wheels. This is a Mac Tools kit here, grinder or a cutoff wheel. Blow gun and accessories. Impact wrench drawer. We're missing the, I think there's a 1.5 inch impact that's missing. This is the 1/2 inch and 3/8 drive sockets. Looks like this socket sets looks like we're complete minus four impacts here. 3/4 inch and 12-point sockets. This is complete. Looks like we're missing 2 sockets, an extension, and the ratchet. 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive screwdrivers. Here we have Allen wrench sets, and then we have looks like these are, I don't think these were ever filled, so this looks like it's complete. 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch drive impact sockets. This is looks like it's complete, maybe missing 3. I don't believe these were ever filled, so we're maybe missing 3. Again, these are, I think these are S&K. Everything's S&K. Three-quarter drive, 6-point, 12-point wheels. We're missing a few in there. Die and tap sets. Pliers tool kits. Blind fastener tape measure. Looks like that one is empty. Multimeter soldering gun. I think here we got the soldering gun. Battery kit accessories. These are just battery terminal tools in here. Pullers. Brazing soldering kit. This is actually a wheel puller kit. And a lube kit. Radiator brake equipment. Cooling system pressure tester. Phoenix ejector systems. Grease guns. More hand grease guns. Missing a few of those in here. Got some oilers. Battery lubricated grease gun. A Lincoln comes with the battery. Screwdriver sets. Lights. These are airline hoses. Cable special power. Got an extension cord. Crimping kit. 1-inch drive sockets. I think this one's complete, minus one. These are protos. Goes up to 3 inches. 3/8 half-inch drill. Over here, more combination wrenches here. This is complete. These are S&K, goes up to 1 7/16 combination wrenches. More combination wrenches. S&K goes up to 2 inches. 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive sockets. We just got some long extensions. We got one big ratchet. 3/8 half-inch drive sockets, 6-point sockets. This set is complete. Maybe missing four sockets total. These are all S&K. 3/4 drive, half-inch. Looks like we're missing a few sockets out of here, and these are all S&K. Missing the ratchet. 1/4 inch, half-inch drive sockets. This one's stuck a little bit, but this one is complete, and these are all S&K. Half-inch, 1/4 inch, half-inch drive, 12-point sockets. S&K. This is pretty much complete, maybe missing 1 or 2 sockets. Combination wrenches. S&K. Looks like we're missing 1 socket or 1 wrench. More combination wrenches. S&K. These go up to 2 inch. Half-inch, 3/8 drive impacts. Looks like we're missing a few. They're stuck. There's more in the back. Caliper torque wrenches. Pull set, puller set. Punch and chisel set. Combination wrenches. S&K. Puller retainer kit. More S&K. Snap ring pliers. Here we have 3 drills, 2 DeWalt's, and a Milwaukee electric. Here's the airbag lift system. By Hurst, Jaws of Life, and there's 6 bags that go with it.